Hey guys, all right, it's the end of the year. Hope you guys had a great Christmas. I hope you got great things planned for 2023. 2022 has been an awesome year for us, but we made some mistakes.
We did. So a lot of people have been asking like for blooper reels and behind the scenes stuff. Well, that's what today is. It's not a full year's worth of screw ups because that'd be a long video.
A long video, yeah.
But here's a bunch of them. So we hope you guys like it. Happy New Year.
We'll see ya in 2023. All right. What was that?
Mm-hmm.
Well, it came from your side.
It did. Hopefully it's not. Hopefully it's not the stool.
It did. It didn't come out of your body, did it?
No, it didn't.
That's unusual. Normally those kind of sounds are something coming out of an orifice of yours.
Oh, I wish I had a fart right now.
Yeah.
Okay.
That'll be behind the scenes footage right there. All right.
Oh my God. Now you got me all thinking about it and stuff.
Should I not look at you while you're talking? Is that going with the flow?
Yeah, whatever nature says. We're just going straight up hippie.
Somebody's shooting me.
Good. And that's...
See what I mean?
Yeah.
See what I mean?
All right. Round 3.
It's all of the premium templates that you've got coming. Let's do this again. Hey folks, thanks for...
That was quick.
That was quick. That's the fastest fastest yet. By hand with a router. Your turn.
We're going to start this over. Well, I thought you were going to lead up to something. What do you want me to say? Okay, all right. I know what I'm going to say now. Let's try it again.
So that was actually good that you screwed that up.
Well, I like to help any way I can.
Yeah, you've been helping a lot lately.
Smart ass. All right.
I'm sorry.
You good?
That was good.
That was good.
Yeah, it was good. Oh, mother.
Sorry, I didn't turn my phone down.
I don't think I turned mine down either. I might have.
All right, guys. So, hang on. See, now I feel like there's pressure on me. We'll edit this out.
All right, whenever you're ready.
Well, damn it, I'm not ready now. I was fine till I explained what I was gonna do. Wait, hang on.
Hurry up, I'm freezing.
All right, yeah, me too. I feel like you guys are watching. I'm trying.
We are watching.
2,
The world is watching.
3,
Thanks.
2, 1.
All right, guys. So it's not perfect, but it's a lot better than it was. That's good.
That's good stuff.
So look for more. That's terrible. Look for more featured tool Fridays, and you're gonna learn something.
So stay tuned. We'll be right back. Oh, that was bad. Your turn. That is recording at all.
No, but
which I
do one of these for a while. Excuse me. Man. Let's start that over.
And we did the transfer and did this sign. Wow, I'm searching for my words. You want me to do that over again?
Yeah, let's try that.
Yeah. So once I got everything cleared away that I could... All right, let's try it again. All right. A little bit deeper. Nah, I don't like that.
Okay.
Hey guys, so this is what we came up with. Check this out. So the chill harder... Oh, okay.
Go.
All right. So we are doing every. Oh yeah. So that's what this. Let me do that again.
Than others, so I went a little deeper.
Right here at Harbor Freight. So,
you want to redo it? Hey guys, good morning or afternoon, whatever. Try that again.
okay.
Freaking gnats, I swear to God. Let's do that again. Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today, let's try that again.
2-inch fatty font layout letters, and we use the templates, the puppy paw, excuse me. All right, let me try this again.
All right, hang on.
We're going to teach you today. Oh, well, that doesn't sound right.
No.
No. All right, you start then.
All right. Hey, good morning, guys. So, we are Make-A-Wood sign, and nope, that's screwed up too.
We're 2 for 2.
Yeah. 0 for 2.
0 for 2, yeah.
But using a clear spray. What the hell's the name of that spray?
It just...
Let's try that again.
Okay.
Then I came back with the random orbital and 120 grit cling spore.
I did the sanding.
Oh. I was like, what the hell? Then Dad came back with the random orbital and 120 grit disc and
Degrit disc. Degrit.
oh my gosh, dude.
100.
Stupid button. I swear. Then Dad came back with a random orbital using a 120 grit disc. So, oh my gosh. Then, dude, and we're gonna get this thing knocked out. Nope, that sounds stupid as hell. Try that again.
Okay. You want a separate scene?
Yeah, let's go separate. So we're making this for Matt Outlaw of 731 Woodworks. He's a big working out guy. He's what? He's a big fitness guy. All right, try again. All right.
These guys are great, and we're going to show you. What are we going to show?
Let's redo it.
The olive wood. Now we're going to go back to the shop and see what we can do. I guess I didn't have anything for you to say. Want to do that again?
Yeah, let's do that again. Then we ended with the random orbital sander in 120 degree. That's going to get the rest of the black off, and it's also going to give it a nice smooth finish for when we spray our clear coat on it.
120 grit.
Then we used the random orbital, and we used a 120 degree grit disc to 100
degree grit.
God, I don't know why I have a hard time with that. All right, try it again.
You're on.
Turn it off. Just turn it off for a second. So the last one of the fonts that we use the most of is Clarendon.
Clarendon.
Is it
Clarendon.
Is it Clarendon?
Redone.
Clarendon. Let's redo this one.
Okay.
Crap.
Good morning, everyone. It is Friday morning, and we are going to do another Coffee and Questions. Ryan and I are fresh back from North Carolina. We had a great time over in...
Sidecars of the day.
What did I say?
Coffee and Questions.
Did I? All right. I'm confused.
Let's try that again.
All right. Hey, guys. So this is the...
So I did the profiling. Nope, let's try that again.
Okay. So that's a good starting point of how I would use these arches. You guys might come up with a brand new way to be able to use these arches that I'm not even thinking about. All right, let me do that again.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So you've been asking for them, and now we got them. The pre-made arches to really... Let's try that again.
You were on a roll.
I know.
The pre-made.
Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna take this Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this awesome slab right here and we are gonna turn this from a cracked, beat up old piece of wood into a freaking sweet sign. Let's do that again. That sounds stupid as hell. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. You've been asking about pricing videos and we're gonna redo that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, you. You.
Sorry. I don't know what the hell that was.
You have to keep
Right.
that for the. Hey guys, so you're seeing this at the end of the year. I hope you guys had a great Christmas. We certainly are expecting to have a great Christmas because we're filming this before. Now let's do that before. Let's do that. Let's do that again. Let's not put that in the outtakes.
No.